Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a review on my car. It's a Toyota Supra, and I'm going to be doing it while eating the world's hottest chocolate bar. This may be a really, really bad idea. So I'm not my chipper self right now. I am very nervous, like my heart is pounding a lot because I'm not a big fan of hot food. And this is literally I'm just injecting pain into my mouth. So for those of you who don't know about the world's hottest chocolate bar here, I'm not sure if you can get that on camera. This has a Scoville heat rating of 9 million. And that means that it is 3 times as hot as the world's hottest pepper.
2.2 million.
Okay, so that's 2.2 and it goes to 9. So this is just going to be a lot of pain. But I'm going to try to do a review of this car while I'm doing it. So hopefully you guys get some entertainment value and maybe you'll learn something.
Initially, you wanted to be driving, and I told you no.
No, I'm not going to be driving. So the person that you see right there, the person behind the camera, is Jared Pink. He actually, well, he's the one that bought this thing, and he thought it would be funny for me to do it, and he actually did it himself.
Man. That's rough.
What was your favorite road of the trip?
I think my favorite road of the trip was in front of the penitentiary, and then as the passenger, I think all of the mountains through Tennessee and Georgia, those were just fantastic.
So this is what it is. It's supposed to be like in a chiclet form. These have melted. This is about 2 to 3 pieces that I'm about to ingest right now. In case I get a little bit of, well, in case it gets too hot, I have some milk that's supposed to quench some of this, and also have some ice. And before I did this, I also ate a banana, which is supposed to help on the back end. So, all right, well, here goes nothing. Dude, I can't, man, I really don't want to do this. I really don't want, is this for views? Is this all for views? Oh, wow, okay, that's okay, that's all right. Okay, so, the 1995 Toyota Supra is one of the most iconic cars in the world because it has a 2JZ GE engine, 3 liter, 3 liter. Wow. Okay, 3 liter inline 6, naturally aspirated, makes 220 horsepower. This is good. I mean, I'm crying because it's just so good. 220 horsepower for the GE. GTE is the one you want because it's 320 horsepower. And that's the one in Fast and Furious. Okay. So, this, ow, that hurts. My lips are, So, it has, this version has a 5-speed manual transmission. Jesus. Hold on. When I breathe out, it hurts so much more. 5-speed manual transmission, W58. But what you want is a 6-speed V160. And, oh yeah. Okay. And it can handle about 1,000 horsepower on the stock block. At least that's what people on the forum say. But this one is not that. It makes a lot less. It feels like I'm gargling knives. This is Thanks, Jared.
You're welcome.
Thanks. It's okay. So, boy,
You gonna take the last piece, or are you good?
I think I'm good. I think I'm. Woo. Okay. I'm gonna try the ice. Maybe that hurt. Why are these ice pieces so huge? Ooh. Oh. A little better. Okay, so this is
So what about the engine block?
the engine block is iron and it's aluminum head with a rev limit of about 6,500 RPM. No. But with the GTE, it has a sequential turbo system with 2 turbos the same size. One comes on lower RPMs, and the second one comes on higher RPMs. Makes it a really nice linear power band. That's why it's such an iconic engine. Not only because it was in the 2001 movie Fast and Furious, but because it's a very, very good bang for the buck. Except now, it's right now it's not. It might not be the best bang for the buck because the prices are so hot. Oh my god. Oh my dude, this is.
It lasts about 30 minutes.
30 minutes of this. Okay.
I mean, it's like you get used to it.
Okay. I'm gonna put the spoon down. I have. Oh, it comes right back. It comes right back. It doesn't help. This is so much worse after the milk.
Maybe it's because you get that moment of relief, and then you're just reminded of the torture.
My entire mouth is on fire. Well, let me try to ride this out. I'll try to get to a pain plateau. Let me just keep this open. Oh, wow. Oh. So the good thing about the Supra is that it has a cockpit design around the driver. And it's really cool because you have these really interesting vents that open and close like this. It's sort of like an airplane propeller. But another interesting thing is that even in 1993 when this came out, it had automatic climate control. Which is not something that you'd have in a Toyota. This one has about 200,000 miles. And oh, it's going down. My entire body's on fire. My esophagus is, that's not good. No, this is bad. This is bad. So as far as Toyota Supra, so my mouth it's still on fire a little bit, but now all that fire has gone down. And that's not gonna be good. So, this Toyota Supra, as far as a car, I give it an 8 out of 10 for the turbo model, and oh, that was a bad burp.
Yeah, you need to avoid doing that because it'll come back.
It came back. And 6 out of 10 for the naturally aspirated one.
How many Scoville?
Hold on. That camera died.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. This one's still recording, right?
Yeah.
I give this one a 6 out of 10. As far as a Scoville rating, it is not 9 million. I'd like you all to follow my channel and watch my Supra videos. We'll have more of them coming up. Not with me eating this garbage, but should be fun. So if you'd like to contact me, asktavarish@gmail.com is the email, and all the links for social stuff down below. until next time, is me telling you that on cars like this with very hot chocolate in your mouth, you need to wrench every day. Every day. Oh.